My name is Brandon Hoffman. I own a property management company and an Airbnb. One of the biggest challenges with the Airbnb is changing the linens. We wash them in between every tenant and swap them out. We have multiple pairs of sheets and bedding we rotate out, but it's always a hassle getting them washed. So I'm hoping our newest thing is going to solve that. Here it is. So these are the newest thing that I've put in my Airbnb. It is a combination washer and dryer. So you put the load in the washing machine, start it. When it finishes washing, it will then dry them, so you don't have to transfer it from the washing machine to the dryer. I'm hoping this is a huge time saver. I imagine most people haven't seen one of these yet as they're fairly new, so I just taped the instruction guides up on the cabinets and we'll see how these work. I have high hopes that this is going to be a wonderful thing for the Airbnb, and honestly I kind of want my washer or dryer to break at my house so I can get them there. Cost here, if you're wondering, these are the second biggest ones I could find, about $2,300 each, including delivery and installation.